Is TCL Smart TV good? Let's evaluate. Yes, TCL Smart TVs are a great option for budget-conscious buyers, offering solid performance and value. Most models run on the Roku TV platform, known for its intuitive interface and access to popular streaming apps like Netflix, Hulu, and Disney+. With features like 4K resolution, HDR, and Dolby Vision, TCL delivers vibrant colors and sharp images suitable for movies, sports, and gaming. While TCL TVs may not match the premium build quality or advanced features of brands like Samsung or Sony, they excel in affordability and functionality. Some users note limitations in black levels and brightness performance, but these trade-offs are minor given the price point. TCL Smart TVs are reliable for everyday use, making them ideal for casual viewers or secondary setups. If you're looking for an affordable, no-frills smart TV with decent picture quality, TCL is a solid choice. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.